Activity for today is subject math, measurement, kilogram to grams, convention. Marunong na si Kuya Eljos. Next, number?
Kailangan ng ganito.
Mamaya pa yan. Ito muna hanggang 10.
Hindi, ito yung may dot.
Next, number?
Tatlo.
8,000 grams. Next,
Same line.
next,
Ten.
10 kilograms equivalent to ano equivalent niya?
3. 10,000.
10,000. Next,
1,000.
tandaan mo yan. Lalabas yan sa exam ninyo. Yan. Kailangan pag lumagpas ng 10 pag 10 kilograms, kailangan may
Dot.
kuwit. Hindi grat, may kuwit siya. Kabaliktaran naman ang gagawin mo dito. Grams to kilograms. Oh. Baliktad naman siya. Paano ang gagawin mo dyan? Ang gagawin mo dyan?
Babawasan ng 3 zero.
Okay, yun na lang ang isulat mo kung ano ang natitira. Okay, 30,000 grams equivalent to 10,000 grams is equal to
10.
10. Next.
Sabi.
Okay, next subject is in English. Ang gagawin naman natin ay yung proposition. Lalagyan mo siya ng proposition, yung mga blank. Ang ulitin natin, review tayo muna. Yung in ay anong ibig sabihin pag in?
Nasa loob.
On.
Nakapatong.
Behind.
Nasa loob. Nasa likod. Nasa
Beside.
gilid. Nasa gilid o na tabi.
Ang under.
Nasa ilalim.
Above.
Nasa taas.
Yung between.
Nasa pagitan or gitna.
In front of.
Nasa harap.
Okay, alam mo na yun ha. Sasagutan na natin to.
The bed is
The dog is
under the bed.
okay, tama. Next,
The bed.
is anong sagot?
The bed is between study table and a drawer.
Oh,
With
the lamp
is on the study table.
next number.
The books are blank the yellow box.
Oh, anong sagot?
In.
Very good. Next number 5.
The cat is
The cat
behind
is
behind.
behind the computer. Next.
The boxes are in front of the bed.
Next, ano yun?
Study table is beside
Beside the bed. The
pillow is on the bed. Hindi.
pillow is
The bed is